Rain flooded continuous Aceh Jaya affected the flood. Heavy rain has flooded the south coast regions of Aceh with high intensity during the last 3 days, result the overload of the river Krung along the 9th district in Aceh Jaya regions. Thousands of homes flooded in District Jaya, District Indrajaya, District Samponit, District Setiabakti, Daru, District Saber, District Panga, District Teunom, and District Pasir. The water level ranged from 1 cm to meter. Most citizens had moved to the second floor of their homes, but there were some citizens still staying at home in